Well, right now I'm headed back home, my friends, and well, the goal today is to read this book from Elon Musk. Cannot read it on the way. That's why when I'm not recording these videos, I'm listening to the Founders podcast. And how's your Ramadan going? I hope everything is well with you people as well. And once done with the book, later on in the day I might also force myself to edit the videos that I have a backlog of. I'm still yet to post them videos, but today the morning was kind of cool, but right now the afternoon is warm. And well, let's see if we get to face some traffic. So we have to stop at the red light. Seems like there has been some accident because I see a towing truck up ahead, and then there's a Najam car and the traffic police. Let's hope everyone is fine over there. I think they are gonna tow this G2 T1 that I see from over here. Well, it's further in the distance when you see the traffic light. Yeah, so what's up with you people? How's life going? What's keeping you busy? They are starting to tow this G2 T1. There. And well, in front of us we have a mosque. When I used to walk to the bus stop from work, if it was time for Maghrib, I would pray in this mosque that you see in front of us, directly in front of us. See guys, they have put the G2 T1 on the towing truck. Don't really know or can't say anything what happened over there, but if we go close we can get an idea. Well, seems like another accident. Couldn't make much of it what happened exactly, but well, seems like two cars crashed in between each other or something. Wow, what a bicycle. We are going from Prince Turki Street here in Riyadh. On our right will be Aruba Park when it will be made. It's also gonna be huge.